Well, with the early winter weather that we saw yesterday, many are experiencing further delays in getting their roofs repaired that were damaged in the derecho.
And there's a lot of those. And one project manager says the amount of roofs that need repaired is overwhelming. And he didn't like seeing that snowfall yesterday.
Now, many challenges come with roof repair in the winter. For crews, it can be extremely dangerous. Just one step on snow or ice, of course, could lead to tragedy. It's also recommended for shingles to be placed with temperatures of 40 degrees as the adhesive needs heat to activate. Project manager David Erickson says low-pitch roofs with dark shingles will work best with low temperatures.
Tarping is essential, but proper tarping is imperative. A lot of people have just thrown up tarps and nailed them down, and it's not going to be an effective deterrent against leaks, more wind damage, and so on and so forth. It needs to be done properly.
Erickson says tarping that's done properly can get homes through the winter. He says crews will still be able to work in the winter, but it's going to take more time and bring more challenges.